Good morning. So I feel like a new man. I finally got a haircut. It feels so good. It's been like, God, 14 weeks. Anyway, hope everybody's having a great day. So I just wanted to talk a little bit again about our comfort zone, and I wanted to know, what have you done this week to step outside your comfort zone now that things are starting to slowly reopen and you're able to get out there and begin to just start getting back to some semblance of normal. You know, there's so many opportunities that are out there right now to grow and to do things differently. And I'm just curious if you're embracing it and you're doing anything about it to make sure it benefits you and that you can make an impact on others and also allow it to impact you in a positive way. So I've been working with so many teens over the last couple of months, just dealing with the pandemic and everything going on. And I've got to tell you, I've learned so much from them about how they think, their thoughts on this whole thing, living at home and being stuck at home with their siblings and parents when they should be either at college or just in high school and doing high school activities and not being able to do these things. They've taught me so much about how they think. And I've been using that knowledge to do a lot of parent counseling and to do some seminars on, helping parents better deal with this pandemic and how to communicate better with their teens. So, when I started this, I was a teen empowerment coach and life coach. And now I've been dealing with so many parents and helping parents understand better ways to communicate with their teens that it's almost become a whole separate part of my business. And it's amazing because you learn so much from talking to other people. And sometimes as parents, we don't take the time to talk to our kids the right way because we're the parent and we just want to be in charge. But when we learn that it's not a struggle for power and we can just communicate with them and have an honest conversation, they'll tell us a lot about how they feel and about what they need from us. And once we understand that, we're able to serve them much better in a positive way, which just impacts everybody in a good way. So, food for thought. If I can help, reach out. I'm here. Have a great day.